You have to write between number. Children, just.
Yes, children, you have to write the number which comes before and after the given number. Yes, quickly note down these questions. The first one is 236. 236. So children, first just note down the questions, right? Okay, how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so note down these questions fast. 9 questions are there. So we'll be writing the number which comes before and after the given number. And I'll ask you one by one quickly. I'll give you 1 more minute. I'll give you 1 more minute to note down these questions. First one is 236. The next one is 331. Then the third one is 562. Then fourth one is 213. Then fifth one is 882. Then sixth one is 723. Then eighth one is 657. Then ninth question is 583. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, children, the ninth one is 412. 412. Yes. And children, you have to draw these lines also. Number is given there, so you have to draw a line before that number and after that number. Yes, 1 more minute, children. Just 1 more minute. Yes. I can see you all. Just note down fast. And your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay. Yes, I hope you all have finished writing these questions now. Right? Yes. Now, children, look onto your screen. And I'll tell you the first one. Children, just look onto your screen. Now, the first one is 236. First question is 236. And children, you have to write the number which comes before and after this 236. So, what you will do is, you just have to change the number in ones place. And here, children, in ones place, what do we have? We have 6. We have 6. So now you have to think that which number comes before 6 and remaining two numbers, that is 2 and 3. That you will write as it is. That you will write as it is. So which number comes before 6? We all know that before 6 comes 5. Before 6 comes 5. And since this number is 236, right? And before 6 comes 5. So before 236, the number is 235. So children, 235 comes before 236. Okay, now you have to write the number which comes after 236. So just again see the number at ones place. At ones place we have 6. So we have to recall that after 6 what comes? After 6 comes 7. After 6 comes 7. So after 236 what will come? 237. So children keep on writing answers also. 237 comes after 236. 236. Okay. Now we'll move to the second question. Number is 331. Number is 331. Just look on your screen, children. Here in ones place we have 1. We have 1, and we know that in a number line before 1 comes 0. Before 1 comes 0. So before 331 what comes? 330. 330. So 330 comes before 331. Now we have to write the number which comes after 331. So children, again see that in ones place we have 1. Now we have to recall that after 1 what comes, and we know that after 1 comes 2. So after 331 the number is 332. Okay children, is there anyone who has any doubt? You can raise your hand. Is there anyone who has any doubt? You can raise your hand. Okay. Now Aditya Ram, you tell me answer for the third bit. Aditya Ram, number is 562. Tell me what comes before 562 and what comes after.
561.
Very good. 561 comes before 562. And what comes after 562, Aditya Ram?
563.
Very good. 563. Very good, Aditya Ram. Very good. Very good. Now, Dhriti Rathi. Dhriti Rathi. Dhriti Rathi. Yes, Dhriti, you tell me answer for the next question quickly. Dhriti. Ashrit Rao, you tell me answer for the fourth bit quickly, Ashrit. Which number comes before 213 and which number comes after 213, Ashrit? Quickly tell me.
212.
212 comes before 213. Very good. And what comes after 213?
214.
Very good, Ashrit. 214. Very good. Devansh. Devansh Agarwal. Devansh. Devansh, am I audible to you? Devansh. Devansh, tell me which number comes before 882 and which number comes after 882. Quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. Devansh, quickly.
Eight. Ma'am, eight. Before eight, eight, one.
Yes, the number is 881. And after 882, what comes? Devansh, tell me. Yes.
Eight, three.
Very good. And 883 comes after 882. Very good. Very good. Now, Krishika ji, you tell me. Answer for the next one. Krishika ji, quickly.
722.
Very good. 722 comes before 723. And which number comes after 723? Quickly.
724.
Very good, Krishika. Very good. Okay, very good. Now, Kartika Nalla, you tell me which number comes before 657, Kartika Nalla?
656.
Very good. And which number comes after 657?
658.
Very good, 658. Very good, Kartika Nalla. Very good. Okay, so next one. Hanvika. Hanvika, you tell me answer for the next one. Hanvika, quickly. Which number comes before 583 and which number comes after 583, Hanvika?
582.
Comes before 583 and which number comes after 583?
584.
Very good, 584. Children, keep on writing answers in your notebook. Children, keep on writing answers also. Now, P. Kartika. P. Kartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, P. Kartika, tell me which number comes before 412?
11.
411. Say 411.
411.
Very good. And which number comes after 411? Sorry, 412.
413.
Very good. 413 comes after 412. Very good, P. Kartika. So, children, just check your answers. Check your answers quickly, children. Okay, and now we will do the next question between numbers. Okay, between numbers. So, children, I hope you all have done this much. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? You can raise your hand. Okay, fine. Now we'll move to the between numbers. Wait. We'll move to the between numbers. Okay, children. So just do one thing. Write down the first 4 questions only, children. Write down only first 4 questions. I will tell you what you have to write down. Just write down the first 4 questions. The first one is 491. Then draw one line and then write down. Wait, children, it's wrong. Leave this one. I will tell you the question. You just write down that question. Okay, children, leave this one. I will tell you the number. Okay, and you have to write down. Okay, children, just leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines. Okay, and write question number 2, and your heading is between numbers. Write down between numbers, children. Write down spelling of between. B-E-T. Write down that spelling, children. B-E-T-W-E-N. Between. Children, write down the spelling. B-E-T-W-E-N. Between numbers. Between numbers. Okay. So I am writing here. So children, write down this between. See spelling from your screen. Between numbers. Children, write down fast. Between numbers. Okay. Yes. So your first question is, and children, every time you have to leave one line. Every time you have to leave one line. Okay. So write down the first bit, children. Just write down as it is, as I am writing on my screen. Write down quickly. Note down these questions, children. Write down these 3 questions in your notebook, children, as it is. Write down these 4 questions in your notebook, children. Yes. So now, see children, now look onto your screen and listen. Now, if you have to write the number which comes between 417 and 419, just see the number in ones place of the first number. Right? The number in ones place is 7. So what comes after 7, children? After 7 comes 8. So the number after 417 is 418. So we can say that 418 comes between 417 and 419.